na si Alice. And ito yung baon. Si Sak ayaw pumasok kasi required kasi pag pumasok required na mag costume for book week. Si Kuya okay lang na hindi kasi high school na siya pero sa year ni Sak kailangan niya magsuot kaya hindi na lang daw siya papasok. So si Holly lang siya, si Kuya yung may baon. See you. Listen and learn. Good afternoon. Sabi ko sa inyo, see you next week. See you today pala guys. 2:08 na ng hapon. And today is August 22. And napaka-special ng araw na to. O etong date na to. Kasi eto yung aming 14th wedding anniversary ni Johnny Boy. Oh my God. 14 na taon na kaming kasal ni Johnny Boy. And speaking of Johnny Boy, wala siya dito. Obvious, wala naman yan lagi dito sa bahay. Kasi lalo na ngayon na busy siya sa boat. Kanina nasa farm siya. Then bumalik siya, umuwi siya. Pumunta naman siya sa shed, sa bay. Nagagawa siya ng piniprepare nila yung rope para sa pads. Kasi nga next week nabanggit ko sa inyo na iloload na nila yung pads. And then si Sak tumawag sa daddy niya na gusto niya magpa-pick up. Diba absent si Sak kasi ayaw niya mag-costume ng book week. So pinick up niya si Sak. And hindi niya pa ako ginigit. Ilang beses na siya pabalik-balik ng bahay. So nakalimutan niya, which is understandable kasi si Jan, dami siyang ginagawa. Hindi lang sa farm, pati sa boat kasi nga next week, malapit ng fishing. So hindi niya, nung umuwi siya dito, pabalik-balik siya, naka-PJs pa ako. So wala, hindi pa ako naka-ayos. Ngayon lang ako nag-ayos na, kasi alas 2 na, magpe-prepare na ako ng aking pa-dinner sa aking husband, sa aming 14th wedding anniversary. So hindi rin tayo makabook ng mga, na surprise. Kaya dyan hindi kasi busy siya. So anyway, kahapon, nag-grocery. Bumili na ako ng steak. Hindi niya nakitang bumili ako ng steak. Dinagay ko niya, bumili ako ng steak. Although mayroon sa freezer na, mayroon pa ba? T-bone kasi yun. So gusto niya, yung rump. So bumili ako ng rump, malaki. Tapos sa aming mga bata, scotch. And, gagawa ako ng favorite niyang cake, custard cake. So nag-caramelize na ako ng sugar. Ay, matigas na yan. So yan guys, yan ang update ko. And, ang aking husband, hindi niya pa ako nag-greet. Pero okay lang. Ang importante, may nakaalala sa aming dalawa at ako yun. Siguro babae naman talaga lagi nakakaalala. Tama ba? Ang lalaki, minsan talaga, lalo na sa asawa ko ngayon na nataw ng aming anniversary, kasagsagan ng pag-prepare ng boat. Pabalik-balik nga siya farm, bay. So, eto, binili ko pala to sa Woolies. And meron pa isang eggs dito. So, gawa ko ng custard cake. So, update ko na lang kayo guys kasi magpo-focus muna ako dito sa aking pahanda sa aking misa. Hindi naman handa. Parang normal normal dinner lang naman pero with cake kasi favorite niya tong cake. So, ito yung aking regalo sa kanya. Ang aking pagmamahal sa pagluluto ang regalo ko sa kanya. Okay, start na ako guys kasi alas 2 painitin ko na tong aking oven. And bumili ako ng kanyang paborito din na tinapay. So, okay. Update na lang mamaya guys. Kunayin ko tong isa. Isa na lang naman. Ay, where's my little bowl? Tingnan nyo guys. Yung pang-open sa condense. Na siya? Ginanong ko lang siya, yung normal. Pero natanggal. So, anong gagawin? Bakit naman ganun? Ano ba itong gagawin ko? Wala. Ay, kinan-opener ko na lang sana, no? Pina-follow ko pa kasi yung yung pang-open sana. sana siyang i-perfect pa ba? Tulad dito. Sana ito okay. Oh, ito okay to. Ito naman hindi. Ganyan. O, hindi mo ba alam? Anniversary namin ngayon. Bakit ka na ganyan? Ay, can opener ko. Ayaw niya. Matigas! Mas madali pa.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
Hindi ko pa nagagawa ng cake.
Dad, so your dad. Hi, honey.
Hi, Zachary.
I was taking this trailer at Jimmy's.
Huh?
Little trailer.
What are you coming?
Oh, okay. Then come back.
Oh, you're going for the horse?
Nah, the horse, we're going to pick that up Tuesday, I think.
Okay.
But I'm just going to use this little trailer, the little grey one,
Okay.
to put some sawdust in to take in the stable. So shouldn't rain the time the kids come home.
Okay.
Should be right. Alright.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. Love you. See you.
What are we making? I don't have much for tea.
Huh? You don't want much?
Nah, because we had steak and sausages.
You already have steak and sausages.
Yeah. So I don't really want much.
Aww.
Might not have anything. The kids will still eat.
Oh my god, busted. Babe,
What?
why you eat a lot?
I only had 2 steaks and sausage. I might get hungry later, still a couple hours.
Because we're having naiinis ako. We're having, I'm cooking something. A little bit. My God, busog daw siya. Hindi yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Huwag ko siyang sino-surprise kasi hindi rin. Okay. Busog daw siya. Meron akong steak for you, my love. At hindi niya pala ako ginigrit. Busy punta naman siya dun sa para dun sa ay, nako. Alright. Pero gawin ko pa rin yung leche flan. Mag-dessert na lang siya kung ayaw niya. Ako mag-steak ako. Ito muna nilabas ko. Kasi natalanta ko, narinig ko yung gate. Natalanta ako. Kukunin ko na sana yung flour. Naririnig ko yung gate na may papasok. So, linagay ko muna doon yung mixture ng leche flan. Para hindi halatang gagawa ko ng cake. Ay, nako. Gagawin ko pa ba to? As in, sabi ko sa inyo, kalimutan nyo talaga. Kasi, as in, wala siyang tigil. Simula 6 o'clock. Gising siya 6 o'clock kasi nagluto ako ng oras. Kasi nagigising din ako mga before 6:30 para mag-prepare ng lunch ng mga bata. Okay, gawin ko na yung ating okay. Update ko kayo guys. Ayun lang kung Johnny Bird ko, hindi raw gutom. So, strain ko lang yung ating yolk mixture with flour. And ito yung ating meringue. I-strain ko lang ito. Kasi gusto ko smooth yung ating sponge. Optional. Depende sa inyo kung maraming time. Kung may extra time kayo. Kung wala, okay lang din naman. Alice!
No, chill.
Ha?
Chill.
Yeah.
What's the table?
Watch for tea. Si Kuya nagtatanong daw dinner. Steak? Is that right?
Steak, like not barbecue.
No. Not barbecue.
I don't like that one.
How was your book week?
Good.
Good?
I got $3 change back.
A what?
$3.50 change.
Why you got money?
They gave me some.
Daddy gave you some. How much? 5? Lucky.
Then I got $3.50 back and I gave it to Cortezia because I was hungry.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Why your hair looks like wet? Did you put the steak again? Huh?
Yeah, because I was doing my hair and I'm like, oh, I forgot I'm putting my hair.
Ah,
Because
because
that's
you,
Alice is
yeah,
down.
because you thought you're gonna have honey. Okay, keep your your headband, please.
Why?
Because I don't wanna misplace that one. So they will go together. They will go together with that.
I'll put it in the
Is
bag.
everyone
Bro, there's so many people dressed up like this.
like that?
Yes.
Kasi yun lang yung parang konti lang ang option. At tapos yan, ang dami niyang pa sa spotlight.
Even a teacher dressed up like this.
Even your teacher,
No, like another teacher.
other teachers, see? It's so popular. Ayaw niya sana yan kasi nga, very plain. It's in your
Like this.
Just put on the table, I'll do it. I'll keep it.
I'm gonna stay in this one.
Ang bilis ng oras, alas 4 na guys.
I like big books and chocolate.
Ano pa kasi ako, nag-vacuum din ako bago ko ginagawa tong bago ko tong gawing cake. Kasi gusto kong ibalik yung table sa original niyang setup.
Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough.
Excuse me.
Siyempre, hindi mo bahala. Kasi ganun ako eh. Kaya kung hindi pansinin yung mga negative.
Ayan, nakabalik na siya sa
So
dati
then
niya
we're just
position.
gonna go like this.
Go around. Yeah.
Tinamaan ako.
Back to normal.
Aww.
Nalaman ko,
Daddy wants like this.
gabi-gabi ko.
Mhm.
Tinuloy ko pa kaya sa...
And then, but mom, but when we like when you say to get us to get our fruits, you go.
Pwede namin pasukin yung mom. Luckily, malakas lang din talaga.
Guys, I made this like little axolotl,
Discard.
but I'm just trying to make the hands little right now. Yeah, I made this little cute axolotl, and I did them little spikes there.
For book week, right?
Yeah, for book week. We moved to other classes to do the activity. And I'm gonna... Mom,
Yan na yung itsura ng ating table.
when
Balik
I
sa
opened
dati.
my lunchbox up, there was only 1/2 strawberry in there.
Only one?
Yes,
Oh.
only 1/2.
Oh, sorry. Kung kinakainin nila yung fruits.
1.
Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah.
Where'd you get them from?
Woolies last night.
Make mine medium.
Alright, sir.
Medium, not please.
Yeah. A little bit of what?
Blood.
Blood. Dinagdagan niya ng buhok. So, meron tayong garlic, 4 cloves. And, mag-harvest ako ng thyme kasi may thyme ako. So, wala pa si Jan. Wala pa si Jan. Magluluto ko ng kanyang ano. Hopefully, kumain pa rin siya kahit konti.
Have you ate the oranges?
Unahin ko kay Johnny Boy kahit hindi siya kakain. At least, meron siya just in case magutom siya. Ganda pa naman ang cut ng aking steak. Ang baba nyo naman. Ayan. Yung sa kanya ba? Pero mas gusto niya kasi sa butcher. Ako kumuha ng, ng steak. Wala naman sana to sa plano. Kaso sabi ko, ay, bili na lang ako dito. Mas easy. Guys, doon kasi sa freezer, madaming yung mga pang stew, tapos yung pang roast, marami pa kami, tapos may T-bone. So wala na, naubusan na kami nito. Kasi 'di ba, nagpapakat kami ng ng sarili naming grass-fed na beef. Yeah. So ito muna ilalagay ko yung nilagyan natin ng seasoning. Oh, ang bango. Sige nga, Johnny Boy. Asan yung time natin? Kuha tayo ng time. Sa labas pa rin.
Mom, what is that?
Ang bango niya, guys. Fresh from the garden.
Need someone to save me. No, and don't come.
Kailangan ko kayong i-charge. Flat na kayo. Huh? Well, I told you that. Hindi ko na.
Better?
What?
Now we're back to normal again. We'll look at all the room through here, Bonesy.
What, the table?
Look out.
Yeah, I told you to change the...
Yeah.
Yeah. Naka-charge kayo.
Wugga, why are you over there?
Wala pa rin talaga siyang... Wala pa siyang muwa.
Right. Not 15 minutes.
Dad, I said 10.
I'll do extra dollars.
Then that's 12 minutes.
Oh yeah.
You can outsmart me.
No, I can't get wood.
That's what she said too.
That's better like this.
Yung kay Kuya, eto yung kay Kuya. Gusto niya may dugo-dugo, di ba?
Cut it up for me.
Ha?
Cut it up.
You want to cut it
Yeah,
up?
like,
Later.
no, I'll show you though.
Yeah,
Like
I know.
this way.
Yeah, I know.
But then don't cut it into small pieces.
Yeah, just long one.
Yeah.
Kasi si Sak gusto niya well done din eh. Ito yung kay Holly or kay Sak. Well done.
Need someone to save me. No, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't
Baliktad naman niya. Oh, this is daddy. Daddy's here.
Why?
Dad's not
Just
sitting
do
there.
something.
Daddy here. Yeah, he's sitting there. You sit here. Zachary there. And holy smokes.
South Africa's Matt Belinsky in 88 and provided one for Queensland with a chance to show off some of his skills.
Did you close the rice?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Adams there for snared 3 wickets. Cameron Green took 4 catches.
Next to
South
me.
Africa finished
Yeah,
the innings with
that's right.
272 goals, near $80 million team
We're missing one.
Waliwa.
There's none in.
So yan na yung dinner. Ready na yung dinner natin.
I'll have some. What are we?
Right, where from?
From Woolies.
What are we?
Nauna na, diba? Hoy, babe!
What?
I have a good news for you.
What now?
Huh?
What
I
now?
am.
What?
I am.
Happy birthday.
Happy 40th
Oh,
anniversary.
you're joking. What's the date today?
22nd?
That's right. Why didn't that come up in your notes?
Whatever!
What'd you get me?
This? What you gave me?
That's fine. Happy
Wala.
anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Hindi niya talaga naalala.
Oh, that was dressed up.
That's why I'm dressed up, but daddy didn't
I
recognize it.
did, but
What? What?
it come up in your notes.
Whatever. Kuya, where's my fork?
There's none left. No, there's none left.
I
One
was
more.
one.
This is the map.
I bet why this is like this.
Huh?
Yeah.
While we're having a cake.
Yeah. Na-miss yung ganitong setup.
And this is better. Where?
There, I watched one there, kuya. There, it's in your side.
Is this better, Mum, or like that?
Where's my...
I like this way.
Now we got more room here to walk through. Yeah, but then when she has her cord to plug in.
Yeah, but when I've got to get wood,
That's the problem.
we're nearly out of wood, so I'll be right.
Why don't you put it diagonal?
No, it's nice. How many years, babe?
What do you think?
4.
That's right. 14. It's our wedding anniversary, Zach. What's that, Zachy boy?
Happy anniversary, then.
How's the bread?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Right,
See, I give you nice dinner. Better than restaurant, right? Think so? Huh?
If my
What's your
steak,
steak?
if my steak was yeah, if my steak was a bit more juicy.
Huh?
If my steak was a bit more juicy.
mine was a bit red.
Redder?
You want more red?
It's not even red, it's well done.
No, that's not well done.
Yes, it is.
Look at that.
That one.
Mine-
Yours is good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this bread is really good.
What?
A little more.
Yours is bigger. Wait, did you go up to the mountain and give Holly?
Nearly
What doesn't matter
everyone,
anyway, you had book week.
nearly everyone
Close na,
forgot
Baba.
this.
I'll squeeze back. Gusto ko maghugas.
What are you doing, Ron?
Bab! Happy anniversary! Busog na busog.
It's
Look
not
at you,
good. It's not
look at you
good.
drooling. What is it, a custom one?
Yes, your favorite
Alright,
one.
make one.
Kahit
What do you
busog
have one
yan.
running?
Kahit busog yan.
Try yours.
Si Kuy kasi hindi siya
Yeah,
mahilig
you're
sa...
right.
He doesn't like
I want my steak. I'm not hungry
Sweaty.
again.
Si Kuya,
Where's my
Ito naman.
food steak, Mama?
may tira siyang konti. Kakainin niya. Nakahugas na ako dito. So, ayan yung ating custard cake. Kahit busog ang ating asawa, kakain siya kasi favorite niya to. Ano niya nga, nahulaan niya. Is that custard cake?
Everybody look to the left. Everybody to the right.
Nilagay ko to saglit sa freezer kasi mainit siya kanina. Kasi gusto nito medyo malamig yung custard cake eh. Yung script lang para. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Let's see.
Ayan yung itsura niya dito sa gilid.
Guys, I was doing a little boo-boo, but I haven't colored it in yet. But I can't tell you what one it is yet, and it's for Maya. For tomorrow.
For tomorrow, kasi nga may swimming sila, di ba? So, okay, cut na natin ito.
She wrote you a letter so you wouldn't forget her. Wish I could care less. It isn't my place to know what it says. My heart is a front page. It won't act its own age. It aches as it bends, folds at the edges. I'm out of my head. Say that we're fine and all, 'cause we are. But where's that confidence for someone who finds it?
Baka smooth. You like that kind of
Yeah, I'll have this.
Inunahan ka, babe.
Ano?
Holly. Kuya got the first slice. So good, yeah?
Want another one?
You need another one? Kailangan niya pala ng isa. Ano yung itsura niya sa loob? More. Ayan, naging na si kuya. Gusto pa ni kuya. Malit lang daw.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Ew.
Daddy, come on. Kuya.
Mommy, can
Kuya's having second slice now.
Who?
Kuya.
That Rizzler fella? Zach, you want some cake?
I'll try it.
Oh,
Here,
yeah.
try mine. I'll try it then.
Oh, the stripping.
One girl. Oh, I don't know. That's got too much sauce on it.
Ow.
You know what is better? I don't have a big. Yeah, I have.
Hey, don't lie. Hey, I don't lie.
I really like this bit.
Which bit?
This bit.
Chuck and roll.
Thanks, Mum. I'm full. You know, look.
Yeah.
How are you from? My love?
Very smooth, honey. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. It's been a while.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you, Mum.
Welcome. Harap guys. Yummy. The cake is not that sweet. No?
I don't like the top bit.
Huh?
You don't like the leche plan?
No, I don't yet. Like the top.
What, this one?
But the aftertaste tastes good.
You don't like the sugar, the brown one.
Yeah, I don't like this.
Yeah. That's the best part.
No. I like the custard.
You like the custard, but you don't like the top.
Yeah.
Happy 14th, babe.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
Ow!
And ito pala, yung gagawin kong spring rolls, pero bukas na to.
Wait, Mom.
Yung mga gulay pa lang yan. Hindi ko pa nilagay yung giniling dyan. Alright. That's all, guys. Thank you.
Please
like,
like,
please
please
subscribe
subscribe
if
if
you
you
haven't
haven't
yet.
yet. See you on the next
vlog.
vlog. Good night.
Good night, guys. Ang sarap ng ating
Mom,
cake.
what are you gonna make for tomorrow?
Yeah. Kasi nga, ayaw yung pizza. Nabanggit ko ba sa inyo? Pizza yung sa swimming. So, Gawan ko na lang siya. Spring roll. Eto nga, spring rolls. Dadala ako ng spring rolls. I-text ko muna kung pwede. If okay sa mga bata. Chicken naman yan. But, ayan yung ating custard cake. Diba? Success yung aking pa-dinner. Kumain siya kahit busog. Ito hindi niya pinalampas. Kahit busog siya. Kumain siya. Favorite niya yan. Okay, good night.
Because I think I do want you next to me.